Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a CooMeet hack. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, we are not rich, but in the mod menu, we can actually enable unlimited coins. So I'm going to press unlock. As you can see guys, it's unlocking the coins. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and finish, as you can see, and then we're going to have unlimited coins on the CooMeet guys. Super cool. So let's just give it a second. All right, it says the coins were activated. So let's see if it does start increasing. Currently, there's 520 in here, which is fine. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS, it works for Android. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So it's pretty easy. Just go to your browser and go over to the website tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, go to the search bar, type it in, press install, and before it downloads, there is going to be one more step, guys, which is the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free to do from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, and you can see it's like updated and everything. 2.4 is the version, so that is great. So I'm just going to wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it shouldn't take that long to load up. So let's just see what happens, and we're going to be all good to go. So it's basically going to say like missing files or something. So as you can see, it's got download the 2 apps. So for instance, Underdog, down and run it for 30 seconds. That's pretty easy. You can see right here it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So Family Islands, this one says I have to reach level 11. It's a little bit harder. But then Evertail's like down and run for 30 seconds. Match to win, you got to reach level 11. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be all set. So that's how I get CooMeet hack for your device. 2025, fully working, guys. So yeah, peace out.